Explain how to install the Kleader Central Control Terminal on an Android phone or an Android tablet. The salesperson will send you the app installation package. Click to install. Click on the first one to continue the installation. After the installation is successful, we turn to the desktop. Click on the installed software. After the dialog box pops up, select Allow on the right. After entering the software, click the setting icon in the upper right corner. Change to your preferred language. The first IP needs to be set as the IP of the central control computer. The second line of configuration files is given to you by the salesperson. After pasting, click the orange button on the right to download. Sales will give you such a link, then copy the link and fill in the configuration file box. After the download is complete, a text will pop up to remind you that you need to restart. The download is complete. Exit the software and open it again. After opening, the whole interface was updated. Click Settings in the upper right corner to switch the color of the theme, available in red and blue colors. On the left is the whole category. Click to enter to control each device separately. Before using the central control software, the mobile phone needs to be connected to the central control computer LAN. After connecting to the network, you can use the central control system.